Right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. Haven't got much out for videos lately. Been working long days, lots of 10 to 13 hour days. Dealing with some big lower back inflammation. Trying to shed that, but finally starting to turn the corner there. Had 2 good weeks of squat sessions in a row. So my previous best buffalo bar squat with accommodating resistance was 390. Straight weight plus 85 pounds in chains. So I'm up to 110 pounds in chains now. So in order to beat the 390 plus 85, I'd have to be at 376 plus 110 or better. 2 weeks ago, I got to 367 plus 110, then missed 376, and I attributed it to the back inflammation. Felt like the legs were there. So this was last week's squat session, and I was like, okay, back's that much better again this week, so we got to prove that the strength is actually there to do it. The goal for today was to work up to 376 on the buffalo bar, and then if that moved nicely, just take jumps from there and see what I could get to. Warm-ups, 270 plus 110 felt really good, so decided to go 336 plus 110 for a double. That moved nicely. Next up, we're going to go straight up to 376. So it was 336. Felt like there was still more reps there, so jumped up to 376 plus 110. So this would be an all-time PR with the buffalo bar. Moved super nice, so decided to take another jump, another 11 pounds to 387. The 387 plus 110 is roughly equivalent to 442 pounds straight weight, which would be a 2-pound straight weight PR on the buffalo bar. My best ever is 440 buffalo bar. All right, so that moved really nice. Now, once I'm getting up to these maxes, you know me, everyone that's watched my channel, I'm always a little bit high. I don't stress about it. Everything below the depth keeps getting better. I know exactly what my standard is for maxes. So 387 went, so just jumped to 400 plus 110. So that's equivalent to 455. Nailed it. Very hard rep, but got it. It's equivalent to 455 straight weight, which would be a 4-pound PR over my best straight bar squat ever. Next up, just a few clips of speed days. So this is 271 plus 110 in chains plus 4 bands. Last week I did 270 plus 110 in chains with no bands. So very hard with the extra bands. Got 4 sets there, then dropped to 271 plus 110 with no bands. And the bar moved insanely fast on these, a lot faster than it did the previous week. So super happy with where that's sitting. That's equivalent to speed repping 326 straight weight with the SSB. After that, now on to some speed deadlifts. My lower back has been not giving me much of a chance on deadlifts. I hit 450 times 2 3 or 4 weeks ago, and just lower back inflammation has been killing my deadlifts. So I'm going to start building back up my deadlifts with accommodating resistance, starting at 264. Even on my max days, I'm going to be going accommodating resistance, a little bit lighter straight weight off the floor. We're going to rebuild and make a run at a 500-pound deadlift. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.